If you're a shop owner afraid of changing from your current software, knowing that you need one, but afraid of the pain of changing, the onboarding with Hoops and Gears and the desire for them to improve your business tenfold overcomes any of the pain that you're gonna have in changing point of sale systems, having to retrain some of your people and do new processes. If you don't like increased profitability, maybe it's not for you, but if you want to improve your business, you want to grow and have additional profitability and make it easier to run, it will tenfold be worth changing. If your software is not good, then you have to make people pay heavy prices to onboard, and it'll take a long time because that's the current state. If your onboarding is great, you won't have to charge them and it will be fast. So it'd be cool to have a promise in the future. It's gonna be this fast and it's gonna be this expensive, as in zero. Yeah. I don't really know because I'm not that good of a national marketer. I don't know if you can just name drop people. Are you in Tire Power and you hate it? I don't know if it.